Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Dismissal. Dismissal means act of ordering or allowing someone to leave. For example, their controversial dismissal from the competition. Their controversial dismissal from the competition. Synonyms: one's notice, discharge, rejection.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Marston bowed, hearing a dismissal in the king's words. Now, repeat after me. Marston bowed, hearing a dismissal in the king's words. The second exemplar. For Whittingham, the manner of her dismissal still haunts her. Now, repeat after me. For Whittingham, the manner of her dismissal still haunts her. The third exemplar. Both have been unsuccessful in their claims for unfair dismissal. Now, repeat after me. Both have been unsuccessful in their claims for unfair dismissal.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.